Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Fingers 1080 high-res web camera. We can see some Fingers branding on the top right corner of the package. We can also see the model name right here. And at the bottom, we can see an image of the product itself. We can also see a tag stating maximum clarity, comfort, and compatibility right next to the image of the product. On the left-hand side of the package, we can see some importer and manufacturing information right here. We can also see the customer care information and details at the bottom. And here we can see a QR code that basically would lead to the company's website. On the right-hand side of the package, we can see that the product is BIS certified. And down here, we can see that the product might vary a bit from the images. On the top, we can see some of the salient features, which are H.264 video compression. It is compatible with multiple operating systems like Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. And it is also compatible with various apps like Zoom, Google Duo, Skype, WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Here at the bottom, it shows that it has the perfect grip with a universal mounting clip, which can be used with laptops, flat-surfaced LCD displays, and CRT monitors. On the bottom here, we can see some more description and details regarding the product, which include versatile web camera for online video calls, webinars, education, tutorials, etc. It has true 1080p wide-angle lens. It has stunning clarity with incredible detailing. It has full HD 1080p and full HD 720p video calling and recording up to 1920 by 1080 pixels. It has built-in high-quality USB microphone for a premium sound, and it has a hidden lens design that provides dust protection. On the bottom of the package, we can see a barcode with some details of the product, which is basically the model number and its resolution. And we can see some more Fingers branding as well. That's about it on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. First up, we have a card with the warranty information. It also has a QR code which can be scanned to register for the warranty. We recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the information regarding the warranty. And on the back side of the same card, we get a thank you note. Thank you for choosing Fingers, basically. Next up, we have a quick start guide. Basically, this should help you out with using and getting started with using the product. Up next, we have the product itself. We can see some Fingers branding right here. We can also kind of make out the microphone input points right here. It has a LED indicator which shows when the camera is running. On the back, we can see its BIS certification and 1080p high-res branding. We can also see the serial number. The product can be tilted and panned in a number of ways thanks to a ball mount right underneath the camera module. And the clip can be opened up like this to fit whatever display you might have. It also has a foam finish in the middle so that it does not scratch up anything it is clamped onto. At the bottom, we have a 1/4-inch screw mounting point as well. So basically, this can be put on a tripod. Getting to the wire, we have a USB Type A interface. And in terms of the length of the wire, it is approximately 2 meters long. That has been it for the Fingers 1080p high-res web camera. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.